During the heat wave, our HVAC system went out. We had no AC. I had to replace the capacitor. Here you see the brand new one. This is me removing it from the placeholder. Now I was checking the wiring to make sure I know exactly where it needs to go in the new capacitor. This capacitor I purchased from Granger Electric Supply. You want to make sure you're replacing the wiring on the exact terminal that it was removed from to avoid any issues. 40/5 capacitor is the one I had to purchase. Alright, now it's time to attach it back to the HVAC system.